Kentucky, Tennessee, those locations have about a 70% chance for showers. For us, a weak disturbance up around Chicago with flurries arrives with a few afternoon sprinkles. When it's cold enough tonight, slim chance a flurry could happen, but a lot of barking out of these clouds, but not much bite to it. Afternoon temps between 45 and 50. The winds move in tonight from the northwest. So we'll see the temperatures low. This is not a fast drop. It's not something that is going to be a shock to the system, but it's important because with this northerly wind developing tonight into Friday and all weekend, that will supply the cold. By the time we get to the weekend, a developing winter storm will arrive, and there will be enough cold air locked in. So our storm system of interest isn't this little guy right here. I mean, you might be interested to know that there's a sprinkle later on today, but these two pieces of energy will come together. You're probably looking at the bigger low pressure just off the coast there of Washington and Oregon, but I really think this guy up here in British Columbia is going to help fuse it all together. It has to come together perfectly during our Friday out in the Central Plains. I think it will happen, but that's one of the things that you watch with this forecast that says, well, it's not a guarantee, it's not a slam dunk. There's so many facets to get to this end result of a winter storm. On Saturday, some light snow will break out very early in the morning along and west of I-65. It'll be on and off throughout the day. Doesn't look like anything significant, maybe some minor accumulations. Most of that will move south Saturday night, kind of uneventful. During the day Sunday, early in the morning through the afternoon, coming back from the south, moving to the north, will be the band of snow that has a better chance of having a significant impact for some of us in Kentuckiana. Tomorrow, remember I said that low pressure comes together, it starts to really go as it scoops up the Gulf of Mexico moisture, then eventually heading farther to the north. We get involved with this to some degree. Right now, it looks like Kentucky will definitely have much more moisture to play with, but we also have low confidence with the actual storm path that this thing's going to take and how strong it's going to be. We'll have your updated snow map coming up in your 7-day forecast as we end the show here. Only 15 minutes left with WDRB in the morning. Mike, kind of sad. This is that sad part of the day. I know you're like, let's just extend it another hour or two.
Yeah, let's just go till 10. Let's go till 10.
Louisville, mostly cloudy. Maybe a flurry by tonight, cloudy tomorrow, but then the weekend comes. We have high confidence there is going to be a winter storm for some of us in the Ohio Valley and Tennessee Valley. For Saturday, I don't think we're into the heart of it. I think there's going to be some light snow breaking out just before daybreak in a few areas, on and off light snow. Most of the dry air will probably squash that later on, so it shouldn't get going just yet. Some minor accumulations could happen on Saturday, but if we're going to get significant snow that requires a shovel, that would most likely happen on Sunday. And once again, as anticipated, with just about every single computer model that we use, it varies from run to run, going back and forth with the location of the heavier snow anticipated out of this. And it's going to change even more today and tomorrow, so check in with the weather team throughout the day leading up to the weekend. Definitely cold enough. There might be a brief period of some sleet mixing in on Sunday. We are not forecasting an ice storm. You know, if you said, Jude, you got to tell me right now, man, where's the heaviest snow going to end up? I would say parts of Kentucky have a better chance for more moisture to work with, Mike, than what we're going to find in Indiana. But certainly this thing's going to change a little bit with that eventual track.
All right, well, just keep us updated here the next couple of days, and I know you will. This is only going here in about 30 minutes.